Umentri ka United Democratic Party UDP na mauplang uba Eugeneson Lyngdoh hakajing akran bakilat pathai kubor menta kasngi ka nyotarik uyayong ulaong badang buon ki jingdon kam banle na kabenta ban pinpha ya karoi kapar jom Rangialehkai sports hakajila ulaong bakidon kam ban yakun shwai ki mat hadut tenrai khamtam ya ka Rangialehkai ki sports olympics ulaong bakadon kam bandon ki jaka kilan mat ki babyang khnang bakan ya ram Shushu ulaong baki Rangialehkai ki bandon ya ka minsim ki riwele bat bantrang bat yet ya ka Rangialehkai bat ka bakham kong santam bandon ya ka minsim Iaishah.
I think we still have a lot to do regarding the development of athletes in our state and the support that these athletes need from the state. I think there's still a lot of work that needs to be done. For a start, obviously, I think we have to tackle the grassroots issues when it comes to all the various sports that got to do with Olympics. And I think having the right coaches, the right infrastructure, I mean, it's everything that needs to do with building of these athletes and the vision as a state for the achievement of what we want as a state, what we want to produce as a state. I think that needs to be the issue that needs to be the first issue that needs to be taken into hand is the vision of a state, whether it wants to produce or it doesn't want to produce, or it's just, we go as it comes. Like